Hey guys, today we are going to be playing hide and seek with Michael and Olivia. We're going to go hide.
There you go.
I'm trying to make the camera as not that shaky. Okay, let's go hide. Why don't we go hide under this tree? Okay, wait, guys, right here. Guys, right here. By this tree. Right over here, by the tree.
Yeah.
Shh, be quiet. Shh, be quiet, guys.
I can see where he's
Teddy's over there. Matthew's over there.
Show where,
He's looking for us. He can't find us. He was one over there.
Dude, I think he's gonna find us. He's wearing my red shirt.
Where is he? He's over there in the sticks. Look this way. Shh. He's over there in the woods.
It's not like a woods. It's just like a...
Oh, he's over there. Nice. Where is he? Teddy doesn't even see us. Shh, be quiet. Quiet. He can't even find us. He can't even find us. Shh. I wonder what happens if he doesn't find us.
Yeah, we just been here for 12 hours.
I don't know where he is. He probably went around the other side of the house. I think Teddy went around the other side of the house. Shh.
I have a feeling they went on the other side of the house.
Yeah, I think he went on the other side. I'm gonna cut, right? I'm gonna cut. Okay, guys, I think he is. Yeah, he definitely went around the other side of the house because I don't hear any noise on this side.
That's just our neighbors.
Oh, he's right there. There he goes. He just went around the other side. He can't find us at all. Oh my god, I don't even know where he went. I don't even know where he went. Where did he go? He absolutely can't find us. No! No! There he is! He found us! He found us! Teddy's hiding right now. Oh, we can't look. Look, just stare down.
Yeah, just stare at the grass.
Stare down at the grass.
Wow, a power pole. Just kidding. Wow, there's a beetle.
Okay, so
Beetle schneedle.
it's about 20 seconds. We're gonna wait till 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go find your brother.
Yes, 10 more seconds.
We're gonna go find Teddy. Okay, so the video. Okay, we can go. Okay, we're gonna go find Teddy. Let's check over here first. I'm gonna try and keep.
No running out of your hiding spot.
He's not gonna answer. I wonder where he is.
No, we're doing a YouTube video.
Okay, so it seems like I can't find him. Maybe he's behind there, behind that fence. Teddy could be behind that fence. Yep, not behind the fence. There he is. He ran. Yeah. He ran. He ran. He ran. He ran. I'm gonna try and keep the camera as loose shaky as possible. Whoa! Hold it. We found him. Okay, go hide. I'm gonna try and keep the camera as least shaky as possible. How about we hide Oh, let's go around over there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go right here. Ooh, right here. Yeet.
Oh, no, this is good.
Right here. So good. Right here.
Yeah, this is so good.
Okay, guys, we are right by the rock wall. Right by the rock wall.
Because I don't make a sound.
We're right by the side of the house. Everyone, guys, be quiet. Everyone, be quiet.
No, me and I have to go over there.
Okay, guys, 1 minute is up. Shh.
Oh, yeah.
1 minute is up, and now Teddy's going to be coming to find us. Can we get him through there? I don't see him.
He's not over there. Guys, if they find one of us, then the rest of us have to run.
They already found us? No! Are you kidding me?
So, you gotta turn off your light, dude.
Ah. Okay, they found us.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go find them. I think they went this way. Guys, over here. Okay. Guys, we're gonna go over here because I think they went this way.
Yeah,
So,
I'm pretty
try and find them.
I heard footsteps.
Yeah, their footsteps are this way.
They might be by the shed.
They could have went by the shed. Mike, Teddy just sent me a text. You can go in Owen's yard, but not in the backyard.
Got it.
Owen's yard and not in the
So
backyard.
they might be.
They said they might be by the shed though.
No, we need to put up. Me and Maya will go in. We'll go in Owen's yard.
Might be by the shed. They are not by the shed. Let's go in Owen's yard.
Say taco doodle-doo really loud, and we find them.
Okay, no, let's go into Owen's yard. No,
Now
Owen's yard. Let's go into Owen's yard because no, let's go into Owen's yard. Owen's yard. Let's go. Said not to go in the backyard. So they're gonna be in the front or side yard. They could be up here. Not here. They could be in the front or the side yard.
I'll go over here.
Front or side yard. Michael, over here.
This is the good.
Front or side. There they are! Down there, behind the rock. They're right in here. We found them. Okay, and that's going to conclude our video for today. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Comment down below. Goodbye.